Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest travel hacks to make your trips smoother and more affordable. Today, we're tackling how to use One Key Cash on Vrbo in 2025. If you're part of the Expedia One Key Rewards program, this feature is a game changer for earning and redeeming cashback on your Vrbo bookings. Let's dive right in. First off, what's One Key Cash? It's a rewards currency from Expedia Group that lets you earn cash back on eligible bookings, which you can then use to slash costs on future stays. With Vrbo being part of the Expedia family, integrating One Key Cash is seamless and can help you save big on vacation rentals. To get started, make sure you have a One Key account. If you don't, head over to the Expedia website or app and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, open the Vrbo app or website. Search for your dream vacation rental as you normally would, filtering for dates, locations, and amenities. Now, here's the fun part. When you find a property you love and proceed to booking, look for the One Key Cash option during checkout. It should appear as a payment or discount method. Select it to apply your available cashback balance. Double-check the amount you're redeeming. It's that simple. For 2025, Vrbo has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so you might see personalized offers based on your travel history. A quick tip. Always verify that the property is eligible for One Key Cash, as some listings might have restrictions. Also, remember that earnings and redemptions can vary, so keep an eye on your One Key dashboard for updates. There you have it. Using One Key Cash on Vrbo is straightforward and can make your travels more budget-friendly. Give it a try on your next trip and let us know in the comments how much you saved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.